Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I will be investigating a Silverberry leaf from Japan. Using a recently restored microscope, there's the Silverberry leaf. Should be quite difficult to get the focus, so bear with me. I'm using a phone to look through a microscope, so a microscope in a microscope. Quite tricky. But I'll get you that image of that Silverberry. Damn it. There's the dot. I'm going to focus on that. There it is. Can you see that thing? A few of them. Extremely difficult to keep this still. Look at that thing though. Looks like a cuvid type thing, or an enemy or some sort of thing. One of them things. Try and get the focus still. As you can see, it's very, very difficult. Nice bird sounds. And the nice tree. Back to the investigation of the strange Japanese Silverberry. Possible. Quite difficult. Nope, lost the focus. But the device does indeed work, and it is quite nice, very nice, high quality piece of kit. Look at that. So that was a very good restoration considering. Japanese lab grade microscope.